Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Santosh Katkar Chemistry. Today I will discuss on the Claisen condensation or preparation of ethyl acetoacetate. Acetoacetic ester is also known as a Claisen condensation. So let us see how this Claisen condensation or preparation of this ethyl acetoacetate. So this is an ethyl acetate. Okay, this is also an ethyl acetate. Only for the sake of simplicity I have written like this. Okay. So when these two molecules, okay, when two molecules of ethyl acetate condense with each other, or it undergoes self condensation in the presence of strong base, that is the sodium ethoxide, as well as acidify, or the in the presence of mineral acid, it gives the ethyl acetoacetate. This is called as a Claisen condensation. Look at this. This is called as a Claisen condensation. So this Claisen condensation will get or obtained by the ethyl acetate or undergoes two molecules of ethyl acetate undergoes self condensation in the presence of this strong base sodium ethoxide. Okay, it gives the ethyl acetoacetate with the help of this alcohol. So in the next we will see the mechanism of this Claisen condensation, how this ethyl acetate will be formed with detailed mechanism. Look at this first stage. So in the first step, okay, we have taken two molecules of ethyl acetate. Here, this is an first molecule of ethyl acetate, and this is nothing but a strong base, that is the sodium ethoxide. So this sodium ethoxide remove the proton. Okay, this one. This proton will be removed by this sodium ethoxide or ethoxide ion. So due to the loss of this proton, it form the ester anion. It will be form a ester anion. Look at this. The proton will be removed by this ethoxide ion like this, and it form the ester anion. So this carbon containing the negative charge on their head. So in the next step, you remember that we have taken two molecules of ethyl acetate. So in the first step, we have taken first molecule of ethyl acetate. Then take the second molecule of the ethyl acetate. So from this second molecule of ethyl acetate, look at this. This is a second molecule of ethyl acetate. This one, second molecule of ethyl acetate. And this is our ester anion. So in the step second, ester anion attacks the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of ethyl acetate. Second molecule of ethyl acetate. When it reacts with this second molecule of ethyl acetate, it forms the oxonium anion. It is only due to the ester anion attacks on the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of ethyl acetate. Okay. Again, the rearrangement takes place and it gives the oxonium anion. Oxonium anion like this. Okay, this ester anion attacks on the carbonyl carbon of the second molecule of this ethyl acetate. So it forms the oxonium anion. So when it forms the oxonium anion, in the next state, there is a rearrangement takes place. Rearrangement will be like this. This ethoxide ion act as a living group. Okay? It act as a living group. So again, it forms the, look at this. Okay, this ethoxide ion act as a living group and it forms the ethyl acetoacetate. It forms the ethyl acetoacetate. But here there is no any completion of this reaction, because in the first reaction we have seen two molecules of ethyl acetate reacts or they undergo the self condensation in the presence of sodium ethoxide, that is the strong base, with mineral acid. It gives the ethyl acetoacetate with alcohol. But here we have not obtained the alcohol as a byproduct. Okay? So we will get the ethyl acetoacetate, but the reaction is not complete here because of we have obtained in the first step, that is the alcohol. Here we have a ethoxide ion. So in the next step, look at this. Again, this ethoxide ion abstract one of the hydrogen from the active methylene group, that is from the ethyl acetoacetate. This sodium ethoxide abstract one of the proton. Look at this. One of the hydrogen from this active methylene group. Again, the rearrangement takes place. Look at this. And it forms the anion of acetic ester. Okay. This is an anion of the acetic ester. So you remember that in the first reaction, we have seen two molecules of ethyl acetate undergoes the self condensation in the presence of strong base as well as acid, as well as mineral acid. So here this ester, anion of acetic ester acidified, okay, acidified with the help of acetic acid. Okay. Then it can use the ethyl acetoacetate. Okay. It look like this. Okay. So this is nothing but the ethyl acetoacetate. Okay. So this ethyl acetoacetate will be formed after acidification of this anion of acetic ester. It gives the two structure, that is the ethyl acetoacetate. This is a ketonic form. This is nothing but a ketonic form. And this is an enolic form, that is the alcoholic form. So here there is a formation of ethyl acetoacetate with the help of alcohol. So here the completion of reaction. Okay. So this is the mechanism of Claisen condensation or mechanism for the formation of ethyl acetoacetate. How this ethyl acetate molecule undergoes the condensation reaction in the presence of strong base as well as acid. So this is an Claisen condensation. Thank you very much.